E aku whakatamarahi ki te rangi, aku whakateitei ki te whenua, nau mai hoki mai ki tēnei hōtaka, e ki ana ko Bathroom Jamz. Yes, we are back here in the bathroom and we are blessed with the presence of this wahine ātāhua. Tatyana, how are you?
Good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, thank you very much.
It's good.
Tell us, what's your fondest memory about bathroom and singing and music?
That's where it all starts, I reckon. All my performances are in the bathroom, low key. My arguments are practiced in the bathroom as well. To be honest.
Surely we all started in the shower.
Yeah,
I reckon.
Yeah.
Let's get into it. What's your go-to jam these days?
I think it would have to be X Factor by Lauren Hill.
Please, say less, let's go. Hit it.
Is this just a silly game that forces you to act this way? Forces you to scream my name and pretend that you can't stay. Tell me who I have to be to gain reciprocity, baby.
All right, cut it out. You're killing me. Killing me softly.
Oh, see.
Oh my God.
Oh, thank you.
I'm already done, te whānau. Wekeneru e te iwi. We already know she's got the X Factor, but are you good on the spot?
Oh, I hope so.
Yo. Okay, because we're going to play a game. It's called word associations. You familiar with that game?
I think so.
Yeah, so I'm going to give you a word, and you're just going to do your best to sing a song that has that word in it.
Okay.
Could be cupboard, bath, roof, watch.
Yeah.
But your first word is weak. Weak.
I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control when something takes over me. In the days your love so amazing, it's not a fake. I want you to stay with me by my side. I swallow my pride. Your love is so sweet, knocks me right off from my feet. Hey, can't explain why your love makes me weak.
You just made me weak. Okay. Quick off the mark. Let's see if you're a two-time champ though. Second word. Eyes. Fatu.
Burning cities and napalm skies, 15 flares inside those ocean eyes, Thank you.
Don't want to show you my eyes because I'm going to cry. All right. I'm going to give you one more.
Okay.
Because you're driving me crazy with your vocals and your word is crazy. Crazy. Get it?
Okay.
Think about it.
I will. Such a funny thing for me to try and explain how I'm feeling in my pride and don't wanna play. Cause I know I don't understand just how you look and do what no one else can. Got me looking so crazy right now, your love's got me looking so crazy right now. Looking so crazy, your love's got me looking so crazy, your love.
Ooh, that little ending. I see you. Okay, she smoked us. She smoked it in that game. Word associations, too easy for Tatyana. All right, on to the next section, and it is scenarios. Are you ready?
I think so.
I need you to get your creativity on for this, okay? Whakarongo mai. So, I'm going to give you a scenario, and you're just going to respond with a song. Okay? That fits that scenario.
Yeah.
Okay. Close your eyes. Imagine you're at One Love, biggest crowds in New Zealand.
Yep.
One of the artists has done a no-show. No-show. Okay? The crowd gets restless, security, nowhere to be found, and the mic is calling your name.
Oh.
what song do you sing to save the day?
Oh my God.
Right, so your side stage, I'm gonna introduce you and you're gonna hit it, okay?
Okay.
Let's go. Everybody, give it up for the one and only Tatyana. Let's go.
Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds sit on my doorstep, singing sweet songs, a melody pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry, that thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry.
Keep going. Oh,
Okay.
Ready?
Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry
Don't worry.
about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. This morning,
Oh, not me.
by with the rising sun, 3 little birds sit on my doorstep, singing sweet songs, a melody pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you.
Let's go. If you need a guitar player, you can hire me.
Come to you.
On whanau. Okay, it's time to flip the switch. Next segment is called What's in the Cookie Jar, okay? So I've got a bit of a present for you. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take one of these, has a word on it, and you are going to sing about that word without saying the word, and I've got to guess it.
Okay.
And since you have your beautiful little guitar over here, ukulele, I'll let you choose your own tune. I usually give a tune out, but I reckon you got a better one than the one I'll give you.
I like this one.
Yeah. Yep, leave that there. All right. Hit it. I'm listening. No pressure.
It's where we run to when we want to tan. If it's blue skies on the hot sand, we can swim all day in the summertime, 'cause the water feels just fine. Where the surfers go when they want to ride early morning when it's high tide. Bikinis on, boys in board shorts, everybody feels a vibe. I like to go here when I'm thinking, beautiful creation, so amazing. Every day is such a vibe. It's where we go in summertime.
Is that a song? Or did you just make that up?
I just
You
played
made
it.
up? No way! That's like an actual track. I wasn't even thinking about the word. I was like, this is an actual track.
Oh,
You made that on the spot?
Yeah.
We have so much talent in Aotearoa, and I'm just gonna have a wild guess. The word is ocean?
Close.
Okay, one more time.
Okay.
Nice and slow.
It's where we run to when we want to tan. If it's blue skies on the hot sand, we can swim all day in the summertime, 'cause the water feels just fine.
Beach.
Yeah.
Nice. That was on.
Thank
like,
you.
I can't do that on the spot. Holy hiccup. Tatyana, thank you so much for blessing us with your presence, your beautiful voice, your crazy runs, your smooth, graceful tone. We are very, very grateful.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. And I just want to hear it once more, please. Once more. You got a song?
Think so, yeah.
What one? What one first? I'll tell you if it's... No. Do whatever song you want.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to intro you again.
Yeah.
E te iwi. One more time. Actually, I'll do that again. E te iwi. Taking to the stage of Bathroom Jamz. One more time. Please give it up for Tatyana. Let's go.
We're chasing time, gonna find peace of mind, and understand that maybe we never can. Keep me in your mirror, but don't take your eyes off the road. Holding on won't get us any nearer, 'cause we got a long way to go. Sometimes it's hard to see that some things just won't be.
Get out of here with your big holy. How good at Stefano. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I got no words. I'm done. You take over.
Thank you.